Hi, so today we're gonna show you how to change your Instagram name without waiting for 14 days. Let's start right away by opening our Instagram app. Once here, head over to your profile. Then just click Edit Profile. So let's just type out the name that we want to put in here. Just simply type it out. And then click the check so that we can save it. So here, as we can see, that we can change it if we change it twice within 14 days. So let's just head back again. And now let's go to the settings by clicking the three bars up here. So once we're in the settings, let's scroll down and here we can see the help icon. So let's just click help. Then click the report a problem here and just click it again. So here, just continue. So let's just type out that we accidentally changed our name so that they can change it for us. So let's type out something like that for the Instagram team. Once you're done, click the submit. And that's it. We just gotta wait for the Instagram team to reach out to us and they will change our name to our previous name or whatever we input into the submitted report. So that's it for teaching you how to change your name without waiting for 14 days on your Instagram account. So that's it. Thanks for watching.